Vivaldi is one of the most customizable browsers available right now. Let me show you how it can be downloaded and installed on Windows 10. Alright, to get Vivaldi, the first thing you can do is open whatever browser you're currently using on your computer. In the search bar, go ahead and type Vivaldi browser and hit enter. From there, click on the first link from vivaldi.com. This will take you directly to the official Vivaldi website. Once you're on the site, look for Download Vivaldi button and click on it. The download will start automatically, so just give it a moment to finish. When the download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder and locate the installer file. Then, double-click on it to launch the installation wizard. Once the welcome screen opens, simply click Accept and Install button right there. The installation process will begin. Just wait for the process to complete. Once it's done, you will see a Vivaldi shortcut icon has been added to your desktop and the Vivaldi welcome screen will appear automatically. So, click Continue to move forward. You will be presented with a few initial configuration options. Feel free to skip them because everything can be adjusted later from within the browser settings. Vivaldi browser is now fully installed and ready to use on your Windows 10 machine.